Welcome to Durham, North Carolina, folks. Over here in the Raleigh-Durham area. Raleigh being the capital, North Carolina. Let's check out downtown Durham. What do we have here? Brightleaf District, American Tobacco City Center District, Museum of Life and Science. We're minutes away from Duke University. Looks like we got some construction going on here. Huge crane over there in operation. Population here in Durham, the metro area, about 285,000 folks at the time of the video. This is the downtown loop. I wonder if it is literally a loop through downtown. Welcome to City Center District. There's the visitor center. A lot of red lights in this town. Look at this old church. Let's go check it out. That looks cool. There's a two-way street here. It's you, man. Go. Well, you flash the lights 15 times and they go. You got the right of way. Just saying. Wow, look at those old doors. Trinity Methodist Church. Oh, that's cool. We've got just a random ATM. Nice. Nice. This is Liberty Street. So pretty slow paced downtown. I mean, at least at this hour. But I'm sure it gets lively, like most. But all in all, it seemed to be pretty dang safe, you know, and pretty lax. Vote here. I wonder what that place is. Oh, okay. The car's coming my way. Alright folks, looks like we're out of downtown, on to the rest of the